What's up, guys? I'm headed to go snow camping for the weekend. We're gonna get 2 to 4 feet of snow in a couple days in the Sierras. Been planning this trip for a couple months, and it just so happened to fall on the perfect weekend to get absolutely dumped on. Should be a good trip. Should be lots of getting stuck, lots of fun snow stuff. But anyways, I just finished packing up. I think so anyway. I think I got everything. I'm completely loaded up with so much unnecessary shit. Brought my snowboard, snowshoes, all that fun stuff. Might get towed around by some cars or something, find a cool hill, maybe get some nice powder turns, who knows. But anyways, yeah, I got my little seat made up for the doggo right there. And then the back, let's see if this just collapses on me. No, look at that. Snack edge, snowboard boots, random gear, tripods, all that good stuff. But I'll try and get a bunch of good footage this trip and keep you updated. Night one down. Basically it rained up until we went to bed last night. Rained up a little bit more and then started snowing finally. Woke up to a nice blanket of several inches. So now we're gonna see where we can get to. Should be a good time. Yeah! Just got sucked into this ditch. Wow. just broke down camp and headed home now. We got solid 6 inches or so. No, like 4 to 6 inches overnight. It's just been dumping on us since yesterday, basically. Grand old time. Spent probably 2 hours getting ourselves unstuck, mostly me, yesterday. Got frickin' trapped into some nice little holes. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch you later.